It's a new dawn, new day, and today is going to be a solo ride. So on this channel you mostly see me riding with my girlfriend, with my dad, sometimes with friends, and it's all fun, but sometimes it's also really fun to just ride solo and do your own thing. Don't have to worry about anything, all the decisions are yours. It's just no worries at all, and also just the way you ride. Normally if you ride with other people, you kind of adjust yourself to the other person or the other people. And if you're riding solo, you can just do your complete own thing, and yeah, it's a nice variation. It's a fun thing. I looked for a route, and this is actually a highly suggested route. I mean, I'll show you on the map right here. So we're actually in the Netherlands, but it's kind of attached to Belgium, because if you look over there you can actually see the islands of Zeeland. So yeah, this is where the route starts today. I actually lied when I said it was a dawn, because it's already, I think, 4:30 in the afternoon. So I gotta get going. Let's go. So I will put the GPX track in the description below if you want to ride this route if you're nearby. People always ask, what app do you use? I use Osmond, or OSM as people call it. You actually just put it on there and the system will recognize a route and navigate it as well. So that's a big plus about Osmond. I think those dudes behind me are practicing donuts in the car. Let's leave them to it. Are very fun roads. Sad thing is there's a lot of like little stones on the road because of all the farmers, so you really have to be careful. Here's you see, it's in all the corners. I like having my navigation like this. So my Osmond app on my phone is navigating me for the GPX track, and my TomTom system here is zoomed out and face to the north, so I know exactly where I'm riding and which direction I'm riding as well. Let's turn back because that off-road pathway looks nice. I would never do this if I'm with other people, you know. So here's the pathway. Nobody behind me, nobody there. There's no sign says cannot go here. Because in the Netherlands there are often signs that says own road, and then you cannot go there. But here there wasn't a sign. I'm guessing, is this the end already? Yeah, it's a field, and it goes on there. There's nobody on the field, so I'm tempted to go, and there's no sign, so it's just adventure, you know. Stand up a bit. I do have my panniers on because I wanted to take my equipment with me, so let's try not to fall. Okay, I just had to stop here. I was riding by this road. I saw this thing in the corner of my eye and I thought, thumbnail, look at this. I think many people, if they think about the Netherlands or Holland or whatever you want to call it, they think of this. All the flowers and also the windmills. Very typical Dutch scene right here. Okay, let's get back on track. I have to turn back here. Wasn't this a nice stop? Wow. Alright, so this is the part of the route where nature stops and industry takes over. I guess the fun roads are not done yet. Good for me. I think we're approaching the city now. The ride's about to be over, but I have one more spot in mind that I want to check out before we stop this ride. It's a spot that I went to when I was in college quite often. This is a nice part of entering Antwerp. This is all renovated. All the tracks for the tram, as we call it, or the subway, whatever. New parking lot here. And because it's new, people don't know how to enter, like this guy. I understand, it's okay. Yeah, let's be careful with my panniers, because they're actually wider than my handlebars. So, yeah, let's be very careful. Skoda, please don't worry. Don't hear me. Ooh, that guy didn't have a mirror. That's too bad. Also very dangerous for motorcyclists. Maybe an angry one pushed it off, like they do in America. Or so it seems on YouTube. Oh please. Oh, this guy knows, but he doesn't care. All these people want to enter the highway. I'm gonna go a different route, I think. They're already setting up everything for Antwerp 10 miles. It's a yearly thing here in Belgium, in Antwerp, where you can run 10 miles for a good cause. It's like the biggest event of the year, and it starts here. This is like the starting line. But let's stop here, because this is the greatest view you'll get from Antwerp. Okay, so there's no parking here for the moment, but what am I doing? I can just park my bike there. It's perfectly legal. Oh. She's taking her baby for a stroll. Alright. Okay, are you ready for the best possible view of Antwerp? One of my favorite places. Alright, so with this view I want to end this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay bright and upright.